Hi guys, this is Paula, an independent stylist with Lilla Rose, and today I want to come on and introduce to you the fairly new leather 8s and braided 8s that I've been wanting to show you for a while, and I'm finally getting around to showing them to you. So here are just a few of the samples of these brand new styles. They are so pretty. These are the braided 8s where they're braided. These are all leather. We have the braided ones and then the regular leather ones, and these also come in black with cream, camel, and black. And if you look on the back, you can see the stitching. So these are reversible. You can have them plain on one side or show the stitching on the other side. Another fun thing about all these new leather clips is that you can pick and mix and match your own hair sticks. These are all brand new hair sticks, and these are just a few of the tons that are out now. I mean, just look how pretty they are. They're a more natural look. They're just so pretty. I love them. And the fun thing is you can wear them together like a flexi, or you can just take them out and use them alone as a hair stick. And I'm going to show you now some styles you can do with these if we don't get soaked. Okay, so one, I'll just show you a simple half up that most of you are familiar with. And we're kind of hurrying because we're getting rained on. So you can just pull it back, or you can twist it. You pull the sides back, bring them together, and then I'm going to take a braided 8. This is a Tudor Rose. Look how pretty that is. And you just kind of hold it over, wrap it over what you want to secure. And you take the stick. You can see the sticks are sized to go with the size of the flexi. And you go in one side, take the pin and go along the scalp. And then you come out the other side, catching it with the other loop. And look how pretty that is. That's a half up with the Tudor Rose. That is so pretty. It's just a more natural look. It is so pretty. Okay, another one I want to show you is, let's see, we'll just do a tails up. I think we need an umbrella. And you just kind of twist it up. Okay, and we'll take the braided 8. You just wrap it around the twist. And you hold it there. And you get your stick. And again, you go in. Take the stick along the scalp so it's nice and secure, and then you come out the other side. And then this is the Nina braided 8. Look how pretty that is. And then look at that stick with the stones. That is one of my favorites. I love the natural look of that. Reminds me of playing in the creek as a kid with those stones. And I'll show you, oops. Another thing with the Flexi 8, I'm used to just pulling the clip out and still having it all together. These are separate, so they're not together. So you have to watch to hold them both when you take it out so it doesn't fall on the floor. So, okay, and again, we'll just do just twist it up, and maybe we'll just tuck this one in a little bit. It's more of a French twist. And yeah, we're going fast because we're getting rained on. You just wrap it around. And you pick which stick you want. You go in the side, along the scalp, and out. And there's the other quick in the rain twist, since we're getting rained on. Okay, so now a really quick one of just the sticks alone, because now you can take those sticks if you don't want to use the leather part of it. You can do buns or just about anything that you do with a flexi. You twist your bun around and you grab hair, the top of the twist, go up, turn, down along the scalp, and then you come out through the bottom of the bun. And again, you can go on the other side, up, turn, go along the scalp, and then again, come out at the bottom of the bun. Now that's just like an X, like a 10 and 2. That'll be really super secure. That'll hold your hair. Another fun way to do, I'll do real quick because it's starting to really pour, is, okay, again, we'll just do a quick bun, and we'll grab it again, turn, come out the bottom of the bun, and we'll do another one just parallel. This is just a cute, fun style to do it parallel. And that is a real quick way because we're getting soaked. So, I think we're going to go in because we're getting soaked and wet, but I just wanted to show you those awesome new leather 8s and braided 8s. All right, see you next time. Bye.